Hi, welcome to the review project again. Today we're looking at the Milwaukee M12 3/8-inch Cordless Ratchet. It's a handy little tool that you'll find useful if you're a mechanic or service technician, and it's a great addition to the Milwaukee M12 lineup. It's great for working on the car, assembling equipment in a workshop, or in my case repairing machinery or on a production line where downtime's critical. It's light, compact, portable, and will slot right into your tool bag along with your hand tools. One of the reasons that attracted me to purchasing this initially was its ability to get into tight spaces. It had made my life so much easier whilst working on one particular machine that required several sensors to be replaced per shift on a daily basis. I'd have to crawl under the machine and try to get a standard nut driver into the tight spot as there was no room to rotate the standard ratchet. The M12 Ratchet allowed me to do it with ease and made the repetitive work a lot more tolerable whilst cutting the changeover time down to a third of the original time. Key features are a powerful 12-volt motor which delivers 47 Newton meters or 35 foot-pounds of torque. It runs at 250 RPM with a variable speed trigger for greater control. It's got the standard onboard fuel gauge which helps you monitor the battery level and know when you've got to change out. Milwaukee specifications on this are 273mm in length or 10 3/4 inches. No load speed is 250 RPM. It's got a 19mm head with the 3/8-inch attachment, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. The Milwaukee M12 Ratchet is comfortable to use with a black rubber molded grip that gives the operator precise control with its variable speed trigger. It's lightweight and arm fatigue is greatly reduced compared to a manual ratchet. The ratchet itself handles impressively and is able to tackle most jobs. I've mainly used it on stainless steel food processing machinery on up to 17mm nuts and bolts with no issues, and always grab it out if I need to do anything on the car and sometimes the house at home. When something is too much torque on the motor, it will let you know by cutting out and the battery level LEDs will flash. But you can then use it as a manual ratchet if needed, and sometimes this is necessary to crack a tight nut. It has an onboard LED that allows you to get a better view of those dark, hard to reach spots. Also on the ratchet is a lockable switch to prevent it operating if you want to use it in manual or for storage in your tool bag. Battery life is awesome, and I can keep this in my tool bag for weeks without changing it with daily service type work. If you're using it in the shop constantly, I think battery life will be the least of your worries. There is not much I don't like about the M12 3/8 Ratchet. The only thing that comes to mind is it can lack a little bit of power on some heavy duty jobs. But I always find you can loosen or tighten the nut manually with your hand if needed, and then use it to do the rest. And I prefer the ability to get into tighter areas rather than more power with the type of work I do. If you do need heavier duty power, there are more options in the M18 range if you require. In summary, the M12 3/8 Cordless Ratchet is another high quality Milwaukee tool that will suit most trades of mechanical or service type work, and is money well spent for the versatility of the tool, time saving aspect, and reducing RSI injuries on repetitive type work. I've had this ratchet for over 5 years now, and it's still going strong with only the rubber hand grip starting to wear out and come off. I'd highly recommend this product to anyone. Okay, well that's it for this review. Thanks for watching once again, and stay tuned for more videos.